guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Danny G. If you're new here, thank you for checking out my channel for the first time. And if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. So yeah, I'm a little bit ashamed. Sorry about that. As you guys can already tell from the title, I am finally doing my laundry after like 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. It was time. It was time. My clothes is literally piling up, crawling up the wall. So I'm gonna show you guys the process I take to wash my clothes here in the US. So let's begin. First, I'm gonna show you guys all the clothes that I have dirty, soiled up and everything. So let me bend. You guys, let me tilt y'all. Oops. So this is the whole pile that I have dirty. You guys see that? What a mess. It's crazy. So first, what I like to do is go around the room and make sure that I have all my dirty clothes in this basket, okay? I think I got pretty much everything.
This is actually not dirty. I was gonna iron it and wear it, but I never had the time to. So yeah, let's put you back. And the skirt, you can go back to. We don't need you. We do not need you.
Alright, so I think that's all. That's everything. Oh, I found a shirt. What else? Alright, next, after I went throughout all the room. What am I saying?
You want him to do it.
Next, what I do is I separate them. I put all the colors, all the darks together and all the lighter colors together. I got these 2 new items from a thrift store. I'm going to show you guys real quick. Let's rip it. It was buy one get one. So I got this cool blazer. Really nice. You guys seen that? Cool blazer. Can't wear it. Gonna wear it. And this yellow top that I can't wait to wear. But obviously, we gotta get it washed. Alright guys, so I have 2 piles, the darks and the lights. Okay, so now I'm going to put these bad boys back in the basket, nicely separated, and we'll go on from there. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you the detergent that I use. So these are the detergents I've been using lately. The extra, it's okay, it's good, it does its job really nicely with OxyClean. And then this one is called Just the Basics. This one's from CVS. I like it. It smells really nice. And obviously with the name, it's Just the Basics. It doesn't have like any colorings or anything like that, which is really nice. Next, I have some bleach. I add these to the laundry for disinfecting and deodorizing, which, you know, sometimes it goes the wrong way, but it's okay. I don't mind. That's why the dress I'm currently wearing is like that. And I don't use any fabric softeners because to me it's just a waste of money. And for drying time, I have these dryer sheets. These I didn't purchase because I wanted to purchase. I got a coupon from my coworker, and 2 of these came out to be just $1 in tax, which I was like, you know what? It's okay. I can spend $1. It's not gonna kill me. And favorite things that I've been using lately are these wool balls that I got from a local store. I believe DD's. Yeah, from DD's. Wait, I can't remember, but one of those stores. Well, it was really nice. Make sure to check out those stores first, because Walmart, they only got 2 for like $5, and I believe I got 3 for $5. And I've been using tennis balls as well. I don't know, I saw it online that it works, it helps, so I've been trying it out. And I don't know if it makes a difference, but anyways, these are my darks, and my lights are over here. Let's go. Darks. Oh. Hot. Oh, they got $2 more?
I think that's enough.
I'm going to ask you tonight to march for Christ. How many of these young people have a march of love this afternoon? March for love. As they came into this city, I'm going to ask you tonight to march in the heart. This march is will be home.
Oh, okay.
I'm satisfied with my life until I see someone else's life. gonna tell you something about that particular soap. Life is not I don't care what size car you got. I don't care what size home you got. I don't care how big your bank account is. That does not bring you any kind of happiness.
Hear that, Bob?
Happiness, my brother and sister. Listen, lady. Happiness is not the dress you wear. Happiness is the lady in the dress.
Follow me.
And start with you today with your family.
Good work, me, homeless person. What? 6 minutes? You know, it's...
Oh, that one gave me less minutes.
Shit. Fails. You gave me a Sunday.
Fail.
Today is the tomorrow.
Cameraman almost took a tumble.